just got back from Prison Island. We just had a quick lunch at the place we least expected to find here.
So let's go and explore Stone Town. You will not believe me when I tell you the shortest recorded war in history took place here in Stone Town in 1896. It only lasted 38 to 45 minutes.
This is the oil for making the shaft to slide. But we use kerosene oil here because it's when I use grease can make that on my fabric. So I use kerosene oil because it's stay on the fabric. Kerosene.
Check out these details. The architecture of the buildings and the handcrafted doors and frames is unlike anything we've ever seen before.
There's so many alleyways to walk down in and get lost in. At least we have a tour guide that tells us all the secrets. It's crazy to see all these alleys. You can just walk down and find new things. This place is amazing.
Okay, good, yeah.
This one is for mothers and children. For men, they have to sit here for 3 days. Horrible. There were no lights in the slave chambers. They only got light through these gaps. So we're in Darajani Market, the spice bar. It smells amazing. A lot of nuts, cinnamon sticks, anything you can think of. You can find it here. So we only went through the spice market, but there's a meat market there, a meat market and a fish market and a spice market. So much to see here.
The taxi just dropped us off after a full day excursion. It was well worth it. We saw a lot, learned a lot. How was it for you?
It was amazing. So glad we did this tour. There's so many local people that you have to support. And this tour guide were excellent. The information was phenomenal. So thanks.
Yeah, definitely super cool tour guide. Yeah, it's difficult to capture everything on video. So I would definitely recommend it to come and do this tour on your own when you guys come visit Zanzibar. So thank you for joining us on this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.